The food we choose to eat first thing in the morning plays a crucial role in setting the tone for the day. Eating the wrong foods on an empty stomach can lead to digestive discomfort, spikes in blood sugar, and other health issues. To ensure optimal health and energy levels, it's important to know what to avoid. In this article, we'll explore 10 foods you should steer clear of when your stomach is empty, along with the science behind why they can cause problems. 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, making them a healthy choice, but not when eaten on an empty stomach. Why to avoid the high acidity of citrus fruits can irritate the stomach lining, especially for individuals prone to acid reflux or ulcers. This can lead to discomfort, heartburn, or even gastritis over time. Enjoy citrus fruits as part of a balanced meal to minimize acidity-related issues. 2. Bananas. Although bananas are nutrient-dense and often considered a perfect breakfast option, eating them alone on an empty stomach might not be ideal. Why to avoid? Bananas are high in natural sugars and potassium. While potassium is healthy, consuming it on an empty stomach can lead to a sudden spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash. Additionally, the magnesium content may disturb the calcium-magnesium balance in your blood. Pair bananas with protein or healthy fats like a nut butter spread to stabilize blood sugar levels. 3. Raw vegetables. Raw vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers are great sources of fiber and nutrients, but they can be tough on an empty stomach. Why to avoid? The fiber in raw vegetables can be harsh on the stomach lining, potentially causing bloating, gas, or stomach pain. This is particularly problematic for people with sensitive digestive systems. Lightly steam or sauté vegetables if you plan to eat them in the morning. 4. Coffee or tea, especially on its own. For many, coffee or tea is a morning ritual. However, drinking these beverages without food can cause issues. Why to avoid? The caffeine in coffee stimulates acid production in the stomach, which can lead to heartburn or irritation. Tea, particularly green tea, may cause nausea or acidity when consumed on an empty stomach. Pair your coffee or tea with breakfast to buffer the effects of stomach acid. 5. Spicy foods. Chili peppers, hot sauces, and other spicy foods may be tasty, but they're not a good idea first thing in the morning. Why to avoid? Spicy foods can irritate the stomach lining and increase acid production. Eating them on an empty stomach may lead to discomfort, burning sensations, or even long-term digestive issues like ulcers. Save spicy dishes for lunch or dinner when your stomach is better prepared to handle them. 6. Sugary pastries and sweets. Donuts, pastries, and other sugary treats are tempting morning choices, but should be avoided on an empty stomach. Why to avoid? Consuming sugary foods first thing in the morning leads to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This is often followed by a crash, leaving you feeling fatigued and hungry soon after. Pro tip: opt for complex carbohydrates or protein-rich options to keep your energy levels stable. 7. Carbonated drinks. Reaching for a soda or sparkling water in the morning may seem harmless, but it's best to skip these on an empty stomach. Why to avoid? Carbonated drinks release carbon dioxide gas, which can cause bloating and discomfort. Additionally, many sodas are acidic, further irritating the stomach lining. Start your day with plain water or herbal tea instead. 8. Yogurt. While yogurt is generally considered a healthy food, it's not always the best choice on an empty stomach. Why to avoid? Yogurt contains probiotics, but stomach acid is at its peak in the morning. This high acidity can kill the beneficial bacteria, reducing the yogurt's health benefits. Enjoy yogurt as a snack or after a meal when stomach acid levels are lower. 9. Alcohol. Having alcohol on an empty stomach is not only unhealthy, but can also lead to dangerous consequences. Why to avoid? Alcohol is rapidly absorbed when your stomach is empty, leading to a quicker and more intense effect on your body. It irritates the stomach lining and can lead to nausea, bloating, or even long-term liver damage. Avoid alcohol in the morning entirely. If consuming alcohol later in the day, pair it with food. 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and lycopene, but they can cause issues when consumed on an empty stomach. Why to avoid? The high levels of tannic acid in tomatoes can increase stomach acidity, potentially leading to gastric discomfort or ulcers. Include tomatoes as part of a well-rounded meal to minimize their acidic effects. What should you eat on an empty stomach? If these foods are off the table, what should you eat first thing in the morning? Here are a few options. Oatmeal. gentle on the stomach and rich in fiber. Warm water with lemon, a mild hydrating option to kickstart digestion. Fresh fruits like apples or berries, less acidic and rich in antioxidants. Boiled eggs, a great source of protein without being too heavy. Whole grain toast with avocado provides healthy fats and complex carbs. Choosing the right foods in the morning can set you up for better digestion, stable energy levels, and overall health throughout the day. Avoiding the 10 foods mentioned above on an empty stomach can help prevent digestive discomfort and long-term health problems. By making informed dietary choices, you can start your day feeling great and ready to tackle anything.